A human sneeze is one of the fastest, most powerful reflexes the body can produce. When irritants like dust or pollen enter the nose, tiny sensors signal the brain to trigger this protective reflex. First, your body takes a deep breath, and chest muscles tighten to build pressure in the lungs. Then, a sudden release forces air out at speeds of about 160 kilometers per hour. This expels tens of thousands of microscopic droplets that can travel several meters, spreading germs. The force is so strong you automatically close your eyes. While sneezing is a vital defense, always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow to reduce the spread of germs.